Welcome back to Paul DaFox. Today's video is an appreciation burnout in the Cobra, which of course occurred in Mexico. I used the GoPro 360. I'm still learning to use it, but the point of view was pretty cool, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I hope you like it. Let's have a look at it. Alright, so let's wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I'm starting to get a better handle on the 360. I'm looking forward to using it more and more, especially when we get to do some drag racing. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox.